The silent generation, baby boomers, Gen X. These generations have all had their time in the sun, but there's a new flock on the horizon. The Millennials. Hardworking, skillful, and resilient. These are adjectives that have never been used to describe the millennial. Born between the early 1980s and late 90s, millennials have been shaped by technology. It's noon. Time to start the day. After checking her emails, social feeds, and blogs in bed, the millennial springs to life and makes a quick, organic, vegan, gluten-free breakfast acai bowl. She feeds on a diet consisting primarily of likes and instant gratification. Life appears perfect on her feed. The traditional workspace is the bane of every millennial's existence. Unable to cope with criticism and lapses in stimulation, the millennial can become hostile and detached.
I don't really have a plan, to be honest. All I know is this 9-to-5 life is not for me.
After an arduous 3 months in the workforce, this millennial has discovered that adulting is just too hard.
I think I just need to escape. Maybe go to Thailand and get started on my travel blog.
The struggle is real. The mating habits of millennials diverges greatly from their ancestors. Gone are the days of meeting in bars and long romantic courtships. Let's watch as the male pursues a mate. Netflix and chill. Millennial seduction at its finest. The male's request has been denied. Undeterred, he resorts to alternative options. He finds a girl he went to high school with and likes a 6-month-old photo. Mission accomplished. This young male is on the prowl for a scarce resource, an unoccupied power outlet. But now, a bigger concern is on the horizon.
Excuse me, what's the Wi-Fi password here?
Oh, sorry, our Wi-Fi's down.
Like all of Earth's creatures, millennials are at the mercy of our unpredictable society. War, climate change. Millennials will stop at nothing to defend their planet from threats.
All right, everybody just calm down and stay woke.
Racism is fake news! It's fake!
Are you trying to oppress me right now?
White people.
Millennials are trying to save the world, but sadly, they have no idea how. Millennials are forever chasing the affirmation and praise they were showered with in their youth.
What? Of course I'm in the crypto game. What, are you kidding me?
Will they, like every generation before them, dominate the workforce and inherit the earth?
These loons cost $40!
We'll just have to wait to find out.